Check the description box below for ingredient measurements. First, add corn syrup to a bowl. Then add cocoa powder and mix. The cocoa powder helps add depth to the red color. Add cornstarch and mix well. Now add about 1/2 teaspoon of red food color. I use water-based color, but if you use gel-based, you only need a few drops because it's very concentrated. Add 1 drop of water-based blue dye. This changes the color from red to blood red. For gel dye users, use the smallest amount you can. I place a fresh toothpick in the dye and then put that dye on the toothpick in the bowl. We use this blood candy on strawberry ice cream for a chocolate-covered strawberry effect. I've also used it on April Fools to fool my coworkers for a bad blood gash, but that didn't go over well. I also use it to make my chocolate heart more realistic. If you want to learn how to make this chocolate heart, just click on the video below. As always, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.